Hi guys, a very warm welcome from Archti Creations. Today we are going to do a very special lesson of Padachitra where we are going to learn how to make Lord Jagannath Ji in a circle. So for that what I am doing is I have taken a watercolor sheet. This is a 300 GSM watercolor sheet. You can take any sheet which is 300 GSM and above, and I have just marked the midpoint on the center of the page. Now what we are going to do is take your scale and mark few points. First we will mark a 10.5 centimeter, then we just leave 2 mm, 9.5 पे, then we leave 2 mm and at 9. So these 3-4 points we have marked. Take your compass and draw circles at these points. So these various lines we have now drawn, which will act as a border for Lord Jagannath Ji. Now let us start drawing Jagannath Ji in the center. For that what we should do is first just mark your center line which divides this circle into absolute half so that your Lord comes absolutely in the center. So I'm just going to mark a faint line. So this divides my circle into absolutely half. So now on the center line, taking the 4 centimeter point, draw an 8 centimeter line. This becomes the outer line for the face, and mark the points at the inner two lines. Approximately till here we are going to make a U shape, and here also mark another line. So this becomes the face. Now this is becoming the first garland of near the neck. Now we are going to make the bracelet. So there is the shank of Vishnuji or Jagannathji in this hand. Like this. So he is holding it. And there is going to be the chakra in this hand. Like this. Now this is going to go down. So these are the feet. Now here we will have 2-3 layers of malas. There is going to be another full mala here of roses which is going to be made here. Like this. Now first we will make the tilak. Like this. And there is going to be a big knot here. Now we are going to make the mukut. So for the mukut I am drawing a triangle first and then we'll do the designing like this. Like this. And now we are going to draw a drop shape. Now let me just remove the extra lines and then we'll start our coloring. So now our painting is done. We are going to start our coloring. For coloring I am taking my acrylic colors and we will first be doing the border and then the background. So for the border I am taking my cadmium yellow. So if I tell you this is a 045 in camel, this is a cadmium yellow. Now we will be doing the yellow color in all the places where we will have the jewelry. So let us first do it. So now take out white color and we are going to do white color base in all the places where we are going to be doing the mala. Now we'll take out a little bit of red color. Now we are going to do the dress. For the dress I am taking out green color. So this is a viridian hue. And in this I will mix a drop of yellow. So now we are going to do the background, and for the background here I am using black color. First we'll do the face of Jagannath ji. Now my background color has dried up. I am taking a little bit of green. So now we'll be making a little darker shade of green. And we will do the design work in the dress of Jagannath. So we are going to draw these vertical lines. So just make it a little watery and just spread it along the edges. Now we'll be making the floral mala out here. For that, at regular intervals, we will be making the green leaves. Now take out a little bit of crimson color and we are going to do a line of crimson here. So we are going to just follow the symmetry and the sequence to create this beautiful floral mala. So I've taken out a little bit of white and I'm making a light baby pink color. Now here we'll be simply making flowers. Now I'll take a little bit of red and crimson and yellow and I'm going to make this orangish color. Very watery line I'm going to apply on the top like this. And that's it. Now before we go ahead, I'm going to take my Micron 0.4. You can take any Micron that is available with you. And we are going to start our designing work for the gold jewelry. Now here for the mala, we'll be creating these kind of circles. We are going to do very thin lines in this area. Now we are going to use white acrylic color. So this is the nut. So here in the background also we are just going to create triple lines like this at some distance. Now we let the background white dry up before we do the border outside. Now another thing what we'll do is this white line that we've left here, in this we are going to create dots. Okay, simple dots at some distance. This is basically a crimson color. So now see, I have done these two lines with black color. Now we'll be doing the border. For the border I have taken out my red. First we are going to draw this curved line. I have drawn it with pencil. If you want, you can do freehand or draw it with pencil. Now we'll just draw. Now in this way our Lord Jagannath Ji painting is done. Do create your own, do share with us, and do let me know how you liked it and in what color combinations you created your Lord Jagannath. Do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the notification button so that you can be notified as soon as we put a new video or are live on our channel. Thanks for watching and bye bye.